Hi, this is Thomas McClure from the Rojava Information Centre. I'm here in Karmashlo, northeast Syria. This region, in the space of less than 2 weeks, has gone from the safest, most secure, democratic region of the whole of Syria to a war zone following the Turkish invasion. The situation here is very grave. There are now over 250,000, maybe 300,000 new IDPs just in this last 2 weeks, who all need humanitarian support. Moreover, the Turkish army is not just targeting military targets and driving people from their home. They have targeted hospitals, they have targeted medical points, ambulances of the Kurdish Red Crescent. They are denying access to aid to enter the besieged city of Serikani. As a result of this, many people are losing their lives, both military people who can't access their right to healthcare because they're trapped in the city. The hospital last night came under attack from Turkish-backed jihadi forces that was firing on the hospital where these injured people are. And across the whole region there are refugees, for example, without access to clean drinking water since Turkey targeted a water station near the city of Serikani, without access to enough bread, as Turkey has also targeted bakeries and bread-making facilities and so on. So there's an urgent need for NGOs to come here. There's an urgent need for humanitarian support, particularly following the exit of international staff of many international NGOs, like in fear due to the rapidly deteriorating situation here. And so there is a need for this international NGOs to come here to support these people, and there is also a need for a concerted international effort to bring this invasion to an end by any means necessary, which is the only solution, because we've seen that Turkey is not just taking military targets in its firing line, it is deliberately, explicitly and repeatedly targeting civilian targets. And in such a situation, this humanitarian crisis is quickly going to develop into ethnic cleansing.